Now, the next thing we want us to look at is JotForm. Like I said, we have various type of forms. We have Microsoft form, we have a Google form. But, most thing about Microsoft, but it's about you have to pay. So Google has made so many things free. But in this case, let's try and see what is called JotForm. JotForm. Let's quickly see that also. So we're not going to spend much time on this. Let's see JotForms and see some amazing things that we can do with JotForms. So when you have your JotForm, you can just sign up, or if you have already logged in, look at the pricing. It offers some free forms. That's free function, and also have paid functions too. From JotForms, let's see what we have as the pricing. Coming up. Okay, while that one is loading, let me also sign up. Let me sign up on another server. Let me create a new page. Let's say JotForm. So let me sign up for free. You can sign up and fill the form. If it's a laptop, you can sign up with your Gmail straight. You can sign up with your Gmail, and you move on from there. This is a fast approach to sign up. So in this case, to sign in next time, you don't need to put any password. It's going to use the link between your form and your Gmail to do that. Remember, you have to go into your Gmail to go and approve that, because it's going to send a link to my Gmail to tell me that I've clicked a form, do I need whatever. Now, the price is still loading there. Okay, let's look at the form here. So these are the forms. Click on all forms now. All forms. So we have exam grade form, student attendance form, teacher whatever form here. So we have products under form, the form builders. When you click on form builders, you see a lot of forms here. Form builders, JotForm apps, JotForm tables, this. So these are different things we can do with JotForms. We have pre-filled form, JotForm teams, features. This is for team. You are working as a team. So JotForm and the rest. So let's quickly let's create a new form. Let's quickly do why we are here is about creating form. Let's create a form like we did earlier. Employee, okay, customer satisfaction forms. Then we continue. That's the name of the form. So we have the form name here now. So you don't have any form yet. So okay, sorry, we've created a folder here. So let's add a new form into this. You can click on my form. So just like in Google, you can actually create forms from so many places. Click on my forms. Create form. So it's asking me, do I want to start the form from scratch, or use a template, or import form? Maybe you have a form somewhere you want to import, or create a signable document. You want to put signature on the document. You can also do that here in the JotForm. So we have, let's see what we have on the template here. On that template, these are what we have under the template. We have other forms, registration forms, event forms, payment forms. These payment forms or application forms, file upload forms. So these are templates. Even under Under these other forms, we have about 863 different forms, templates here. So under each of them, you can see the lot of options, template that you can actually use. You can use from a sign up form, voting forms, and more. So we have all these forms that you can use from. Now, I think we were looking for employees customer satisfaction form. Do you have anything like that here? Do you have any template here? You can serve that. Okay, none. Okay, that means we have to go back and create from scratch. Let's create from scratch then. Back. So it's asking, is it classic form or card form? Classic form is just like the form we did under Google Form. Card form is the one that as you fill it, it go off. You fill the first one, it fly away. Fill the second one, it fly away. Fill the third one, it flies away. That's how the card form look like. So you want to drag a logo. You want to add a logo of your company or whatever to do it. You add it. You don't need that. Let's say we want to do one here. Organization name, BMC Skills. And you save. So, so drag your first question here. The question. One good thing about JotForms is this. Instead of writing name, on the left side, you see the add form element. What do you want? You want full name? Drag it here. That is a full name. Is it okay like this? Full name and last name. You write like that. Submit. That one is done. We are done with the name. So we want to add another one now. Submit, submit, submit. Picture is still loading. Okay. Let's the pricing is not loading. So let's click on that form here. So we want to add another one here. Let's add email address. See that we have the first one, name, full name, second one, email address. So what do you want again? You want to add phone number. You add phone number. You can see if you want to change any settings here, you have the properties to change. Description, left, right, whatever. Anything you want to do, you can actually do it here under this server. So you want to add another form again. Want to add so the sectional header here. This maybe in some cases, some form you can divide forms into like a 2, 3 different groups. Maybe the first one is about personal information. Then the second thing after that is about your educational background. The third one is about whatever. So that's when you use these headers here. I think we have the same thing under Google Form too. We have the same thing under Google Form. Let me quickly go back and see that. Let's look at the form here. We also have similar thing here under Google Form. Let me refresh this. Let's see here. So you see here we have plus. Here we have import questions. Here we have title and description. Here we have image. You want to add image. For example, when we are here, you want to add image to something here, the name here. You can add image from here. So you want to add video. I want to add image. of surname. Maybe like in the case of primary school exam or something, you want to show, you want to bring in an image, which you want somebody to tell you what it's all about. I said, okay, from Google image, and say, okay, surname, image, example, oh, is Chinko. Okay, let's just pick one image here. Let's just pick an image. So you can have image here. You can bring in image into your form here. So the last one, this is why we are here, is hard sections. You can add section to your forms too. So the first section is about the name. You can see section 2, section 1, section 2, section 3. So when you come here, add another section again. From here, you add new section. Here we have another section here. So we can also do that same thing here. So in Google, in JotForm, you can do the same thing. Not JotForm here. So this is all about, let's preview this form and see how it's going to look like. The first one we had here. So the first one we have here. So this is how the form is going to look like. You know, remember, it's a card form. So start the question. It only display the required observer, Musa Adamu. Next. Okay. Musa at gmail.com. Next. So this is how card forms look like. You see now, there's how card forms look. Okay, your phone number is 234 567 890, and you submit. Fill in, please. Field value must not be blank. Okay, 00. Submit. So thank you. I've been received. Now, so let's look at the other form, the one that is not. Let's look at the other form. Let's look at the other method of the form. We have create a form. Create a form here. So these are examples. Therefore, you have reached your form limit. Your star account are limited to 5 or 7. Delete or upgrade to increase or whatever. Did I click on anything? Okay, I have 5 forms already. I think it's a monthly whatsoever. So, but in the case of the other one, we have something like this. We have the form. The forms look like what we have in Power in Google Form. I want to let me edit this. If this editable. This time around, I don't want it to look like the card form again. Okay. So this form now is looking like a normal regular form. I think I've this one. This is a template. This is already a template. The template already selected. So there are so many things you can do with your JotForm. Just like we did with Google Form, you can also do the same thing here. So on a monthly basis, I want to look at there's a limit to how many forms you can create in a month. Not permanently, not that it's only 5 you can create in life. No, I think it's a monthly basis. For free fashion, there's a limit to how many you can create in a month. the price. I can't see the price again. No. The pricing. It. So one good thing you can also see here is that you see that this form, how do you copy the form to? You can see, let's come back to the form. The form we have here, we have settings. Settings here. So here you can do some settings on your form, more options, publish. So this is where you control what you want to share. You want to copy the link, you want to open the form in the new tab, you want to invite people to fill the form by email, or you want to share the form using any of these, or you want to create an app with this form. One thing about JotForms is that you can convert any of your form into applications. Although you are going to pay, you can convert them into application, which can be filled like normal either phone application or mobile applications too. You will see that when we have under the form here, under my form here, under the forms here, see that you can add payment options too. If somebody is selling, if you are selling, maybe you are selling something, you want to share whatever, you can see payment options there where you can add payment options into your form. PayPal, this and that. There are payment options that can be added. You can see the options you can add into your server. So that is how to work with JotForm. So preview, I think we have done with preview. So I think the next thing now on the JotForm is about how to view your report. How you want to view your report. So you have embedded this, assigned this, email, prefill, PDF. So these are options available here. So public, if it's a public form, select, open it in new tab or server. Okay. Let's see the settings here. Private form, complete form, submit only. So all this, you can actually go and check all this. Okay, you want to thank the person at the submission of the form. So now that let's go back to home page and see how we can view our report, our response. So click on my forms. On my forms, you see this is the form. This was the form I filled just now. There's one submission on this form already, which was the one I filled. So come to this more and view. I want to view the submissions. These submissions from the form. And there are more things you can see. You can see that there are still more options there that you can also do with your form. Publish form, share the template, assign form, add prefill, form analytics, create report, create PDF from the report or server. So let's look at the table here. So that is how to use JotForm. So you can explore more options there as we move on. So I think we can move to the next network is But wow. Why are people coming in, going out? So you can see this is the report. This is the report of what I filled: submission date, the name, the Gmail, and the phone number. So that is as simple as that. You want to download your report, click on download, and you have your download. Is it CSV, Excel, or PDF? Whichever way you want it, you download your report. So that we get to the end of electronic form, and we move to sales invoicing now. We move to the second thing we have today, which is about invoicing. Let me share the slide.